class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your geography teacher. In the last video, we had studied about the factors affecting India's climate. Okay, and today we are going to start a new topic, that is the Indian monsoon. We will study about our country, means our Indian monsoon. Okay. You know that the climate of India is strongly influenced by, किसका असर ज़्यादा रहता है? Monsoon winds. Okay, so let's start. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon winds. Means it is said here that the climate of our country India is specially और we can say that strongly, बहुत बड़ा असर किस पे जाता है? Monsoon winds. The sailors who came to India in historic times, the people who came in our country by sailing seas, what they are saying? They say that were one of the first to have noticed the phenomenon of the monsoon. They only first who came to know the, or also we can say that they only able to find out or able to notice the phenomena of monsoon. Phenomena of monsoon means आप कह सकते घटना या तथ्य को जाना किसने जाना? The sailors who came in our country during historic time, they only noticed the phenomena of monsoon. They mentioned they benefited from the reversal of the wind, and they get benefit. जो उल्टी हवा आ रही थी उससे इनको बेनिफिट मिल रहा था. They get benefited from the reversal of the wind system, as they came by sailing ships at the mercy of winds. Why? Because they came by sailing only the wish of the wind. जैसे कि विंड की मर्जी, जिस तरफ से विंड चल रही थी उसी के हिसाब से वो लोग आगे की तरफ बढ़ते आ रहे थे. The Arabs who had also come to India, and also the Arabs who came in our country, they also had as trader named this seasonal reversal of the wind system monsoon, and the Arabs also named our country's monsoon or wind system as a monsoon. Okay, and after this the monsoons are experienced in the tropical area roughly between, और we experience means हमको महसूस होता है what? Monsoon in the tropical area roughly between 20° north and 20° south. To understand the mechanism of the monsoons, to get the point और टू गेट द मीन्स आप कह सकते हैं कि प्रक्रिया को जानने के लिए, किस प्रक्रिया को जानने के लिए? अब तो मानसून, द फॉलोइंग फैक्ट्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड और टू नो द तथ्य, और जो कहते हैं प्रक्रिया को जानने के लिए हमें कुछ फैक्ट्स की ज़रूरत है. फर्स्ट, द डिफरेंशियल हीटिंग एंड कूलिंग ऑफ लैंड वाटर. The differences between the cooling of and heating of land and water. Here what it refers? It refers to the difference in how. किसमें अंतर दिखाई देता है? How land and water surfaces absorb heat. किस तरह से land और water जो है heat absorb करता है. Surfaces, लैंड एंड वाटर सरफेसेस एब्जॉर्ब हीट, किस तरह से हीट एब्जॉर्ब करता है. एंड ऑल्सो हीट एब्जॉर्ब बाय द ओशन इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. हीट विच वाज एब्जॉर्ब बाय ओशन ऑल्सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड थ्रू मिक्सिंग over a greater depth than is the heat absorbed by land surfaces. The differential heating and cooling of land and water creates low pressure on the land mass. What it create? It create low pressure on where? On the land mass. Land mass पर क्या create करता है? Low pressure on the land mass of India, while the seas around experience comparatively high pressure, and the areas nearby the sea they experience high pressure. Land mass we experience a low pressure, and the area nearby the sea they experience high pressure. Second, the shift of the position of intertropical convergence zone. In summer, what happens in summer over the Ganga plain? This is the equatorial trough, mainly normally positioned about 5 degrees north of the equator. It is also known as the monsoon trough during the monsoon season. And you have seen that this is created this shifting in summer over the Ganga plain. This occur in summer in near the or almost in Ganga plain. Third, the presence of the high pressure area east of Madagascar. Where pressure? High pressure area where? East of Madagascar. Approximately at 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. Where it is located? Approximately 20 degrees south of the Indian Ocean. The intensity and position, जो उसकी स्थिति की जो दशा है और उसकी जो तीव्रता है, इंटेंसिटी मीन्स तीव्रता of this high pressure area affects the Indian monsoon. This जो तीव्रता है और पोजीशन है ये किस पर इफेक्ट डालता है? मॉनसून ऑफ और यू कैन से अफेक्ट द इंडियन मॉनसून. Fourth one, the Tibetan plateaus get intensely heated. जो तिब्बतियन प्लेटू है बड़ी ही तीव्रता के साथ हीट होती है ड्यूरिंग समर. समर के समय में बहुत जल्दी ही हीट होती है. which results in strong vertical air currents, and in this way it results in the occurrence of you can say it took place the form of strong vertical air currents and the formation of low pressure over the plateau at about 9 km above sea level. Last one, the movement of the westerly jet stream to the north of the Himalayas. What happened? The movement. किसकी movement? The westerly jet stream, especially to the south of Himalaya, and the presence of the tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during summer. Apart from this, इसके अलावा भी it has also been noticed that changes in the pressure conditions. It also noticed that changes took place in the pressure conditions over the southern oceans also affect the monsoons. It also noticed that the changes also in the pressure condition were over किसके ऊपर? Over the southern oceans also किसके ऊपर असर डालता है? On the monsoon. Normally when the tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experience high pressure, normally what happen? When the tropical eastern, जब tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean जब enjoy करता है क्या? High pressure, the tropical eastern Indian Ocean experience low pressure. उस समय एक एरिया लो प्रेशर इंजॉय करता है एंड सेकंड Indian Ocean experience low pressure. But in certain years, not always this happen, but in certain years what happens? There is a reversal in the pressure condition. कभी कभी क्या होता है, उल्टा पड़ जाता है इसके प्रेशर कंडीशन में. Conditions and the Eastern Pacific has lower pressure. Sometimes the Eastern Pacific has a lower pressure in comparison to the Eastern Indian Ocean. It becomes what happens? Lower in comparison to Eastern Indian Ocean. This periodic change in pressure condition is known as Southern Oscillation. और ये जो पीरियोडिक चेंज है इसको क्या कह सकते हैं? Southern Oscillation और SO. The difference in pressure over Tahiti over small island French Polynesia in the central South Pacific Ocean located there. Pacific Ocean and Darwin in the northern Australia Indian Ocean is computed to predict. ये क्या करते हैं? अनुमान लगाते हैं किसकी तीव्रता को? इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द मानसून, मानसून की तीव्रता को अनुमान लगाते हैं. इफ द प्रेशर डिफरेंसेस वर नेगेटिव, द बट इन केस द प्रेशर डिफरेंसेस कम्स नेगेटिव, देन व्हाट हैपन? इट वुड मीन बिलो एवरेज एंड लेट मानसून. इट इंडिकेट दैट बिलो एवरेज मीन्स एवरेज में रहेगा या क्या हो जाएगा? मानसून लेट अराइव करेगा. A feature connected with the SO is the El Nino, means small child, means छोटा, बहुत छोटा, phenomenon in which a warm ocean current that flows. It is a very small phenomenon जहाँ पर क्या flow करता है? That ocean current that flows past Caribbean coast in place of the cold Caribbean current every 2 to 5 years. The changes in pressure conditions are connected to the El Nino. जो pressure conditions है ये किससे जुड़ा हुआ है? El Nino. Hence the phenomena is referred to as. That's why this phenomena, यह जो तथ्य है किससे जुड़ा हुआ है? El Nino to as ENS means El Nino and Southern Oscillation. Okay, so today only this much. Tomorrow we will start our next topic, that is the onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. Okay, so today only this much. Thank you, beta.